Hey everybody, so I have right here this MSI Katana 17, which is perfect laptop for some gaming and multitasking. This laptop features 17.3-inch Full HD 144Hz display, which delivers sharp visuals and really smooth gameplay. Whether I was gaming, watching movies, or editing videos, the display was delivering impressive quality. This laptop features Intel Core i7 CPU and 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM memory, which is more than enough to ensure speedy performance and responsiveness. And also the inclusion of Nvidia graphics card ensures that I can play all the latest games without any lag or stuttering. This particular model that I have features Nvidia RTX 4070 chip that comes with 8 gigs of DDR6 VRAM. I've tested this laptop on games like Cyberpunk 2077 and other high-end titles on 1080 and 1440 pixel resolution, and it runs all of them above 60 FPS on highest settings when utilizing DLSS, and on some games even on native resolution, which is really nice. And also thanks to the 144Hz display, I can have a high refresh rate experience on games like Counter-Strike 2, Valorant, and other competitive titles. Another great feature of this laptop is MUX switch in MSI Center app that allows you to manually set discrete Nvidia graphics card to be directly connected to the internal display and bypass the integrated graphics within CPU. By utilizing this technology, you should slightly improve performance and reduce latency in your games. This laptop also features Wi-Fi 6 network adapter, which ensures stable and fast internet connection for online gaming and streaming. So if you're looking for a high-performance laptop, which is great for gaming and multitasking, this would be a great option to consider.